Well, go on traders, yeah, the traders here again. All right, guys. So, unfortunately, I have to say Mullen hit a new low on Friday. So, if I zoom in on the chart here on the 5 minute, you can see that we came out at market open at 137 and we fell all the way down to 121. So, right now in pre market, Mullen is at the 127 mark. It tried retesting the 131, but it failed. It has come back down to 127. So there was some news that came out from Lawerence. He has been pretty quiet for past couple of days. So here's what he had to say. Let's jump into that right here. So he was saying yesterday, Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers, despite some of the made up rumors. I'm doing well. I had to take a break and get some rest. A positive update will be provided tomorrow morning, Monday. Making America better, forever humble and blessed. So this is what he said. So I guess he is saying that some news will be coming out today, this morning. So let's see what happens. Just fingers crossed on that, and see how big that news will be. So also what was announced was that Blackrock boosts ownership of Mullen Automotive by 178%. And this was from their filing that they did on May 12th. So BlackRock has filed a 13F form today, May 12th, revealing that it now owns 73 million plus shares of Mullen, valued at this says this look like $6 billion plus. I don't think the maths here is right, but maybe it had to do with the reverse splits and all that stuff. So in any case, I'm just looking at what is being said here. So they have increased their shares by 178%, and this compared to its previous 13F filed on February 13, where it disclosed ownership of 26 million 422,000 plus shares. So the current value of BlackRock Inc.'s position is now 103 million US dollars. So as I said, not sure if the maths there with all the reverse splits and all that happening in between then and now is correct, but this is what they're saying. They have increased their shares by that amount. So let's jump in and see what's going on Yahoo Finance. So as you can see on Yahoo Finance, the stock fell almost 9.5% on Friday. Pre-market it's up 2.5%. Market cap fell. We were hovering around 222 million, and market cap fell. It's now at 210 million. As you can see on the pre-market price, while I'm recording this, it fell a bit. I know it's going up back slightly up to about 7.5%, almost not 7.5%, 0.7%. So it's basically flat pre-market. Volume that came in 21 million compared to average volume of 13 million. And then compared to the overall market, the TSX was flat, S&P flat, Dow flat. So the market was basically flat yesterday. There was no other news that came out, as you can see here. No other news came out. In terms of Lucid was basically flat. Rivian fell almost 7%. Fisker flat. Neo fell almost 6%. So it appears that the overall market was pretty red on Friday. So jumping back into the stock here, if you take a look at the option trade, you can see that the volume that came in on Friday was pretty low, 15,000. Puts are about 1/3 of the call volume, 5,000. So the puts are pretty much active. In terms of for this week, The open interest for the calls, take a look here. So we got 29,000, which is not too bad for open interest for this Friday. For next week, we're looking at 11,500 plus, and then for the following week, 16,000, over 16,000. So overall, guys, you know, it has been a struggle with regards to what's happening with Muln. Muln needs to stay above that $1 between now and Wednesday to maintain its compliance with the Nasdaq, for to have that 10 consecutive days above a dollar. So you know, we wouldn't want to see it fall below the dollar. Not to say it's going to be delisted, because it has up to September 6th to be delisted, but at least want to see it maintain compliance between now and Wednesday. So that's kind of what I have for you for today, guys. So, you know, see what happened today with regards to what Lawerence is speaking about. You know, some news that he said will be coming out. So we'll see what will happen with that, and if it will move the stock, hopefully, in the right direction. All right, guys. So until tomorrow, have a good one. Take care.